Worksheet 5, attempt all the question by using the loose sheet given in worksheet 5, multiplication and division question. You have to solve all these questions in the previous class 3. So it will be easy for you to solve. But before going to solve the multiplication and division question, you have to know about the tables. So learn table from 2 to 16 and also write it in loose sheet. Worksheet 6, question number 1, define decimals. What are decimals and what are the decimal numbers? The decimals is the number that are dividing into two parts. One part is whole numbers and the second part is decimal number. And these two parts are separated by a dot called the decimal point. For example, 23.90 is a decimal number. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. You have to solve all the sums that are given in the blanks. Then you will come to know the answer. Question number 3, define fraction. What are fractions? Fraction numbers is written in the form of P by Q, where P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. For example, 3 by 4 is the fraction form. Worksheet 6 and 7, question number 4, true and false statement. You have to solve all the sums given in the statement. Then you will be able to find whether the statement is true or false. Worksheet 7, question number 1, draw large squares. You have to use book to solve this question. Chapter number 4, decimal, page number 94. There are some squares given in this page. Just simply draw these squares and solve the questions. Question number 2, write these as fraction. What you have to do, if you want to convert the decimal into fraction, simply draw the line under the digit, place 1 in the place of dot, and if there is one digit after the dot, place 0, 1, 0 in the denominator. If there is 2 digit after the dot, then you will place 2, 0 in the denominator, and so on. I have done first part for your understanding. Look at the question 2.7. What I have to do, simply draw a line under 2.7, then write 1 in the denominator in place of dot, then I write 1, 0 because there is only one digit after the decimal point. So the answer is 27/10. This is the fraction form of 2.7. You have to solve the rest of the question like this. Question number 3, convert it into decimal. If the question is given in the fraction form, how can we convert it into decimal? Simply divide it. The part 1 is 7 divided by 100. What you have to do? Divide 7 by 100. Then you will come to know the answer. 0.07 is the decimal form. You can solve rest of the question like this. Worksheet 8, solve all the question from question number 1 to 3 by using loose sheet. The question is related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are very simple question and you have to solve it in loose sheet. That's all from my side. I tried my best to make this summer task simpler and understandable for you. If you need any other help, you will ask in Allied School group, your class group 4. Do consult with your maths book. May Allah take out all of us from this critical time very soon. Take care of your family and for yourself. Stay home and do offer prayers. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.